This is 2018 Honda Accord. It's my son's car. He got hit by somebody and this little reflector is missing. In order to replace that, you gotta take the bumper off. You take the screws off, and I believe there are more screws. I'm gonna have to remove these. There's two of them there. There are two on that side, and also two on this side. Those has to come off. Just pop this out, I believe. There's more there? There's three of them. Another one on the top. So this bumper skin comes off. Yes.
That's it.
Alright.
That's it.
Then you go behind. This is a new one. That's the part number. I bought this one from Amazon. It's supposed to slide in, but all the clips are busted, so we're gonna have to secure that. Bumper, actual bumper skin, supposed to have a clips. They're all broken off. So what I'm going to do is, since there's nothing to secure, I'm just going to put dynamite behind it. So what we're going to do is, rather than change out the entire bumper, got this melting tool with the metal clips. We're going to weld it, not weld it, melt the bumper skin to the reflector light. Alenga.
Acá abajo, güey. Aquí.
Alright, that's good. Alright, do like, wait, make sure that's in right.
Aquí le podemos poner. Puta. That's good. Let go. Wait.
That's good.
No rush. Otro.
Touch with your fingers, see if it's hot.
You scared?
Alenga. That's good. That's good. You're coming out the other side.
What? It's good.
Alright, do more.
More. No pay.
Don't go
This customer
outside.
is cool.
How do you know?
It's cool.
Don't worry, it's gonna hit something else tomorrow and it's gonna come right back to us. That's good. So we got the back side all melted to the bumper skin. Now we're gonna put a dynamite over just to be sure. So that's a sound dampening material. That should give us a little bit more security. All right, let's put it together. brother. Alright, put 3 more screws on the back. That's it. Finito.
Where's the screw?